Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I think you all are fine. And today I'm going to show you how we can create a LinkedIn account. So first we have to open Chrome. So then I have to search LinkedIn account, LinkedIn ID. So here we can see LinkedIn login or sign up. So here I have to click. Now I have to click here join now, okay, because I have no account right now, so I want to create, so I have no way to select this, so I have to select join now. So then here I have to give my email address and also password, okay. So I have given my password and email here, so now I have to click agree and join. Then here I have to mention my name. You have to give your full name, which is your certificate name, okay. You have to write this name, which is your certificate name, okay. Then continue. Here security, okay, verify puzzle. Let's do a quick security. Pick image the correct way, okay. So which is correct? This is correct. This is correct. I think this is very disturbing, okay. So done. I think this is okay. Here I'm Bangladeshi, so here country already given, okay. Let's select city or country, so I want to select Dhaka, Bangladesh, okay. Then next, most recent job title here I have to give, but I have no job right now, so, and I'm a student, so I want to select I'm a student. If you select that you're a student, so you have to mention your university or college where you're studying now, okay. So I'm studying now, okay. This is my university, International University of Business, Agriculture and Technology. And here you have to give when you started your journey, okay. I have to start. I'm start uh, I had started the, okay. So now this is 22. I have to select this, otherwise it cannot be working now. So now I have to go to my Gmail account, and here they given me a code, so I have to copy it and just paste, okay. Just paste here. I think this is not working, and now you have to click agree and confirm. And here they're writing, are you looking for a new job? You can help you prepare for your search. Your response is private to you, so I'm obviously select this, yes, okay. So what kind of job you are looking for? That means what which type of job you want to search, you want to your career build, okay. So I have to select information technology, okay. So, and this is located in Dhaka. Dhaka, Bangladesh. So that's it, and I'm open to remote work. I have to click here and get notified when new jobs are posted. One job all alert that best matches what you're looking for. You can create more later. Okay, so I have to click here next. Let recruiters. Okay, I have to click here next. Next, connect with people you know. Okay, that's it. And if you want to escape, then click here escape for now, and I want to click next. Follow to stay update on your career and insert. Okay, next. So this is basically my account. Okay, and I have to organize it, so I have to click here view profile. Okay, then here you can see this is not organized. Okay, so I have to organize it. I have to select here a profile, a cover photo. Here you can see my education institution already given. I had already done it. You can also add your school life. Okay, you can do you can select your school, college, everything. Okay, and then let's try. If you search Sadman Sakil, so then you can see here I think this is not more organized, but this is good because he is already popular. Sign to view full profile, and this is her full profile where he was studying, where he was doing job, everything. This is the organized profile. Okay, so you have to select all the things, and if you search here and click home page, here all the job and all the job sectors which you want you can find. You can also messaging, chatting, job. This is almost like Facebook. Okay, thank you so much everyone. No more today, and I think you all are like my video, and if you like my video, please do like, comment, share, and obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. And today, thanks for watching, and no more today. Allah Hafiz.